Yo, what's up? So today we are in the one very traditional village in Bali, Bangli.
In Bangli area. So we are in Desa Penglipuran village nowadays. Yeah. So let's see how it is now. I see that behind us there are so many people.
Actually, quite many local domestic tourists. So we will see how's the crowd today here. So that's how it looks. Domestic tourists making pictures over here. This is one of the famous spots with the beautiful gate. It's very beautiful weather, by the way, today here. Actually, so many tourists. As you can see. So basically, if you are not familiar with that place, you never been here while in Bali. This is one of the very traditional villages, Balinese villages in Bali. And I think this place belongs to the heritage of UNESCO, yes, honey?
Yeah, so this place is become a touristic place, and they said like this village is the most cleanest village. Kind of in the world, I don't know, but they said like that.
Yeah, but basically that's because of belongs to the program of UNESCO and some money what is coming from the tickets. Of course, if you come here you have to pay ticket. It's coming for the villages. They have to keep it very nice. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
Something like that.
So the ticket for the locals, for the adult local, costs you 25k. So this one. The locals and also kitas holder or kitab holder will be the same 25, but if you are foreigners, bule, tourists, so you have to pay 50k.
50k.
So yeah.
So that's how it looks like, and that's how it looks the village and local houses. Maybe if the one house is open, we will go inside to see how is it. But by the way, it's very nice over here, very nice, very clean. And of course every house has a temple. Beautiful weather today, a little bit hot but very nice. That's how it looks like. And also they selling inside the merchandises, durian. Honey, let's get inside, let's see how it looks durian then, because we need to see at least one house inside. So that's the entrance. Hello, how are you? Hello.
Johnson duriannya. Durian apa nih, Pak?
Niki Bali.
Kuduan nih duriannya, Pak.
So Sayank was thinking about having a durian. Durian is very smelly fruit if you don't know, because obviously many of you guys, they know everything about Bali, but some people still don't know. And durian is very interesting fruit.
Yeah, I think that once we had a video, a vlog about durian.
Yes, one of our...
really hates, yeah.
By the way, if you are interested, you can watch one of our first videos exactly about 1 year ago from April 2020. It's a very cool video. But we will make one day one more, but maybe not today. Yes, honey?
Yes. Now let's explore more about Desa Penglipuran.
So as you can see, people making pictures. This is one of the very characteristic places for picture. And here also, as you can see, actually seems like I'm only the one foreigner here, which is actually a very interesting way of exploring Bali nowadays, because usually if you come you will think it's so many foreigner tourists, but now it's so many tourists, but local domestic tourists from Indonesia, and you are only the one. It's like traveling somewhere in very rural areas of Indonesia where, you know, difficult access and only local people. And here is in Bali right now, and as you can see, this is the parking area. So many cars. This is the Camrys, government cars.
I think that
Yeah.
they are special. I think that there will be special person from government will visit here. I don't know, maybe a minister or a tourism.
Somebody.
If we see from the map here, they have three different parts of the village. It's like if you turn right, you will be going to bamboo forest, and then that's Karang Mamadu and also Tugu Pahlawan. Okay, let's see how it is there.
So we are trying to find a house where is originally, you know, like without shop inside, without merchandise. But as you can see, unfortunately, almost every house nowadays here have a shop, merchandise, warungs and stuff like this. But we will try to find at least one house where it's very natural. Yes, honey? There is nobody and nothing inside there.
I mean, like, there is no shops.
No shops, like natural, original Balinese house. Let's try this one, number 48. We will see. Very nice entrance, gate, temple. Ooh, so many green stuff. Another temple.
And I think that most of the house nowadays they rebuild to become
Rebuild.
more modern.
Yeah,
Modern house.
they renovate the houses. Yeah. Your grandma house is still natural, honey. Okay, let's go. So, for example, this is the entrance to the house, but at the front is the shop. But that's the reality nowadays, how it looks. Everybody needs to earn money, right? Tourists coming, as you can see. Here will be some selfie station. We are going to bamboo forest. If you just have 2 seconds, please to subscribe to our channels TheMonkeys by simply pressing the button of subscribe over here and notification bell into all. Thank you so much. So this is the bamboo forest and this is like a junction. So many bamboo. And bamboo girl?
Look at behind me. So this is the bamboo forest close by the Penglipuran village. As you see, that typical rainforest bamboo. So the bamboo is easily grow everywhere in the rainforest, tropical rainforest, just
like this. And this is the bamboo. Very nice. Very nice indeed. So this is the bamboo. Interesting fact. Never touch bamboo by bare hand, because you never know, maybe you have allergic. It's very easy to get allergic on the bamboo. Now is the moment when it's no loud bikes. Can you hear the sound of nature? So we are stopped somewhere on the road and here is the small warung. We're gonna have some lunch over here. This is the main road and this is the warung. If somebody interested, that's the name. And Sayang already have her food, which is this one and mine.
So this one is fish soup. Look at this one. Sayang.
Very nice.
When I already eat some, lecing, sate ikan, and pepes ikan.
Very nice. Smacznego, honey.
Yeah.
And the place looks like this, very cozy.
This is how local are.
Cozy local restaurant. This is my food, the ikan goreng, which is fried fish, stuff like this. And how much is all approximately saying? What do you
So
think?
one package costs 30k. Like this package 30k.
Yeah, like
So
this. And
1, 2, 3, one package. 1, 2, 3, one package. So one package costs you around 30 something.
so not so bad, very nice.
Alright, so after we visit the Penglipuran village now, it's called Desa Kayubihi. Desa Kayubihi is famous for the bamboo production. So let's see how the bamboo production and the product.
We'll see. That's how it looks just on the street. And here's something, everything making from the bamboo. We'll see what they have. Like a products like this. This is the bread basket.
Yang ada motifnya?
Okay, bentar.
Oh, makan
Oh, the bamboo furniture like a chair, table, sofa.
So I was thinking to buy kind of a kebun like this. It's called kebun, you know, like whenever Balinese people going to the temple and then they will put offering inside and put it ahead like this. So I just wanna buy one because next month is Galungan ceremony, so I wanna buy one for my mom. They didn't have it with the motif one.
No.
Let's go to the different place. Maybe they have another places.
Okay. Alright, so we arrived to the another place. Beautiful baskets on the road. Oh, some traffic. This is for the offerings. What Winnie is actually looking something like this. Decorative one. And here is some small warung. That's how it looks. On our jeepney. Handmade painting. Goddamn bikes always make me really tough, you know? Seriously, these bikes I cannot say single word, you know? So this is hand paint, I said. Here is also the place for play volleyball. These ones are nice because they are looks like a handmade paints, right?
Yes,
Very
I was
nice.
thinking to buy this one. Very nice. And this lady, look at this. Look at her. So this is actually handmade. Oh, this is how she made it.
Very nice.
Bu, ngarianang nikah berapa hari perlu? Satu hari. Oh wow.
One day.
They make it just only for one day. But I'm interested with this one.
Very nice.
Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Ini pas tenaga sekira. You know, ladies negotiate. So I was thinking to buy this one, and it's very nice. I don't know because you know next month is a galungan. I wanna buy something for my mom to for the ceremonies at home, put offerings.
Very
Ini
nice.
apa bedanya? So this one cost you 100k.
They are blue and green paint.
Yeah, very nice paintings. And this one is lebih kuat nih King yang Niki ya.
Ya,
This one is more stronger. Let's see.
ya ini tempelan Niki.
Oh, I see.
They painted the flower.
Ah,
Very nice.
Very nice. I think that I will buy one that is stronger for my mom.
Yes, honey, dobrze.
And look at this one, it's quite stronger. Ini kita nada sekirang. You know how Balinese negotiation, you know.
So which one you choose, honey?
So this one, the stronger one. Tani ka maksud?
Not the green one?
Yeah. No, this one.
Not the blue one?
No, this one, you know, stronger. So 10 piece of this. Yeah, 10 piece.
This one are softer?
This one's 80k and this one 100k, but I think this one is much stronger, you know.
Okay,
Alright, I buy this one.
dobrze.
Sama Very nice.
Very nice. Alright, so that's how it looks our day. Today Winnie's happy she got ole for her mom.
Yeah.
It's called like
This
that?
one,
Yeah.
This one is small kaban sokasi for I will put offering here for my mom because next month is galungan. So yeah.
Yeah, and you saw how it looks, the bamboo growing today and also the
Traditional village in Penglipuran. So
Yeah.
this is in a Bali area. So I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you
and
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
See you, take care.
Bye.